Hi friends, welcome back to Curious Adhvik channel. Today, we are celebrating Easter. Happy Easter friends! Today we're going to New Albany to do a helicopter egg drop. Helicopter egg drop means that a helicopter will come to a certain place and drop 80,000 eggs for kids to grab. I'm not just talking about a helicopter like this. I'm just talking about a real helicopter. So if you think that was cool, because this is even more cooler. This is me in the same place. Please enjoy. Hi friends, welcome back to Curious Adhvik channel. Happy Easter because we are here for a helicopter egg hunt. If you like it, smash that like button. If you love it, subscribe. Bye!